Hello everyone, my name is Kathy Hooks. I hope everybody is staying safe, enjoying their family, and this quarantine. Okay, so I chose to do my research on relational maintenance, which is chapter 9, pages 280 to 282. Relational maintenance. According to our textbook, the authors define relational maintenance as communication that keeps relationships running smoothly and satisfactorily. And I found that on page 280. And in the book, they gave 5 examples. Number 1 is positively keeping the relational climate polite and upbeat, and also avoiding criticism. So don't be negative. Do not be negative with your significant other. Always try to remain positive, bring positive energy, uplift them, be cheerful, happy. Just say things to uplift them. Don't bring them down. Always remain positive. Keep a positive attitude. Number 2 is openness. Talking directly about the nature of the relationship and disclosing your personal needs and concerns. So you just have to be very honest with your significant other. Don't hide nothing in. Like, whatever you're feeling, always express your thoughts, your concerns, whatever personal needs that you need. Express it. Be honest with one another. Number 3 was assurance. Letting the other person know both verbally and non-verbally that he or she matters to you and that you are committed to the relationship. So, we all love compliments. Let's be honest. So, compliment your significant other. Let them know how much they mean to you and how special they are. Like that relationship, you love them and the relationship, and you hope it never ends. Just let your partner know how special they are to you. Number 4 is social network. Being invested in each other's friends and family. So with technology and, this generation, we all have social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat. Facebook is a pretty popular one. So, and Facebook actually has a relationship status where you can put single, married, or, in a relationship. So if you're in a relationship, put that you're in a relationship with your partner. Nobody wants to feel like their relationship is a secret or they're trying to hide somebody. Like, that's another way to show your partner, that they're special to you, and you want your friends and their families to know, like, that you guys are in this together. Number 5, sharing tasks, helping one another take care of life chores and obligations. I totally agree with that. Sharing tasks is very important, especially when you're in a serious relationship. You guys should be able to help each other with the bills, with the rent, car note, gas. Whatever it is that you need, help your partner. And then, if they had a long day at work, they should be able to come home to a clean house and, food ready. Just really be there for one another. It's little things. Like, I promise you, it'll be little things. Okay. And the textbook author's interpretation. Relational maintenance is something that is positive and healthy for any relationship, not just romantic. And I thought that was very interesting. You don't have to be in a romantic relationship for you to use this. It works for any relationship, friendship, co-workers, any relationship. Like, I thought that was really cool. Other concepts that relate to this topic is social media and relational quality. The book states that dating couples stay in touch throughout via texting and social media helps build relational intimacy. So remember in the 5 examples that I just gave, number 4 was social network. So it just goes to show that social media does play an important role in a romantic relationship. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Personal critique. I do agree with the authors and how they use relational maintenance. The 5 examples that they shared, I had to look at my own personal relationship, and I thought those 5 examples were fit very well. Article I read. So I found this article on a website called Core, and one of the authors' name was Anderson, and the topic was aggressive humor as a negative relational maintenance behavior during times of conflict. So this article was very interesting to me because, if you've been in a relationship before, it's not always fun, happy smiles. You have your days where you just want to, your partner may drive you over the edge sometimes. So to show that it has a negative side to relational maintenance, it definitely caught my eye, and I definitely wanted to read more about this. The author's reasoning for creating the study is to show how humor can be used to alleviate tension in conflict situations. I'm sorry. The authors wanted to get an understanding on why couples choose to use aggressive humor during conflict situations in their romantic relationship. The demographics included 26 participants in committed romantic relationships. Folks left out were people who weren't in romantic relationships, family members such as, siblings. Number 3 was not enough romantic relationships. I personally didn't think 26 couples was, not even couples, 26 participants was enough. I felt maybe if they would have had more people involved, it could have got a better outcome. And the method that they used included utilizing semi-structured group interviews to obtain a closer understanding of the participants' perspective. And I was reading in the article, they were saying that they felt group interviews would work better because it would help some of the participants be more open with one another by listening to each other's stories, and maybe some of them could relate to one another. So they felt that group interviews would get them a better outcome. The results and conclusion. Their overall conclusion was to get an understanding on why participants use aggressive humor. Humor in times of conflict can help ease tension, cover up issues, and avoid certain reactions. When they use aggressive humor, they were meaning like sarcasm, mimicking, and repetition. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you, and continue to have a lovely day.